Court was established by House Bill 19 of the 2023 Texas legislative session, which created the Texas Business Court with 10 judges, 2 each in 5 cities: Austin, Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, and San Antonio. It's been a great year. It started September 1st, opened our doors, and my nightmare scenario was that we would open for business and all we would hear is crickets chirping. That didn't happen.
It's been a fantastic year. I've had the ability to not only become a judge for the first time, but also to be part of a new court. And so it's been a challenge. It's been interesting. It's been dynamic, setting up court systems, hiring staff, and then actually getting into court and having litigants, bring their issues to us, issuing decisions. It's been great.
It's been a very exciting year. We have a brand new court, and it's a kind of court that's never existed before. So everything we're doing is really kind of a matter of first impression. That we are really making law and shaping the law, and that is a lot of fun.
One word: fantastic. It's the experience of a lifetime. And while I've been on several benches, this particular one is just the creme de la creme.
We've got amazing litigants. We've got amazing counsel. They're inordinately prepared and seasoned, whether state district judges, former state court of appeals justices, former federal judges, coming to ensure that we're able to start developing jurisprudence for the business court. We are one brain trust, one group trying to do the business of the great state of Texas.
A lot of the effort we've put into it, my 9 colleagues and I, the judges of the court, has been marketing the court. That's not something judges usually do. You may run for election, you may establish yourself in the public imagination, but you're not marketing your court as we have been. And that's just to make sure that people know we're here, we're open for business, and how we can save them time, money, and resources when they have a complex business dispute that needs a judge's resolution.
So the first year has been just a whirlwind, and enjoyed getting to work with some wonderful colleagues and laying the groundwork for the future judge. There's a whole lot more to presiding over a court than just wearing a robe, making decisions that are affecting parties and attorneys. It's also laying a groundwork infrastructurally, with all the things that go into physically making a court operate.
One thing to be a first-time judge, and then you sort of add a different layer of complexity to it to be opening a brand new court. I think we sort of matured as the year went on. You take 10 independent minds and each running our own docket. There's kind of a natural tendency to want to do your own thing. And then I think as we went along, we became a little better in terms of coordinating, reaching out. I now consider them 9 great friends. It was a whirlwind from the very beginning, but all in all, it was a great year looking back.
We're getting a lot of press and attention on the court and the ways in which it can save time and resources for corporations, companies, individuals engaged in business that have complex disputes that need the special attention that we can give them. The typical district court judge here in Texas has, at least in Harris County where I live, 2,000 or 3,000 cases on their docket. I currently have 20 cases, so I can give your case individualized attention. If you need a hearing, I'm here, I'm available. If you need a courtroom and a jury to try your case and resolve it, we can fit you in and give you a set time and date on which you will arrive for trial and a set time and date by which you will finish your trial. And that's something that's very attractive, I think, to businesses that do want a judicial resolution of their disputes.
It's been fantastic to be on the front end of this very huge historic development for the state of Texas, something that is vitally important for the state of Texas, and to have been invited to do this has just been an incredible blessing. But also, I think has been really important is to learn to trust the lawyers and the parties that I work with, and that if I am fair and communicate with them, that they will respond in kind. And it has been a very successful arrangement so far. I look forward to doing that some more.
We took in 185 new cases. We disposed of around 55 cases, leaving us a pending balance of around 128 active cases. Clerk's office has issued 400 citations for all of the cases coming in, and we've taken in almost 7,000 filings total this first year.
So I'm really glad to see Texas especially given the size of our economy. I mean, Texas is a powerhouse economically, and so not to have a business court, I think, is just not to fully advantage ourselves.
The challenges that have come with starting up the Texas Business Court are all of the challenges that you would expect with starting up a new court that has never existed before in our state. Having a court that is focused on a case type that for the first time is getting its own docket, learning how to calendar and plan for a smaller number of cases that are highly complex and highly contentious, and really narrow in on the minute details and nuances of the arguments of the parties and the specific facts at issue. That's a challenge, but also a really wonderful opportunity for our state, and something that I'm very excited to get to be part of.
It's been an exhilarating year. We have had such a challenge ahead throughout the time of building a new system, securing and preparing our facilities, and it has been fascinating, really, to get this new court off the ground. There are 10 of us judges who are working really closely together on not just these systems and facilities and getting the actual court off the ground, but we've been able to develop new case law, establish local rules, and just generally get this new system up and running. And it's been an incredible year, and one that I know I'll always remember.
Basically, to quote the movie, if you build it, they will come. I think the word's getting out that we built an efficient and relatively fast, relatively inexpensive forum for the resolution of business disputes.
I think we are daily learning, but we're learning with a team. We're growing with a team. We're transforming with a team, starting with the Office of Court Administration. And they have been with us as our partners every step of the way. We go big, we stay big, and we're bold. And I believe we have absolutely delivered with a vengeance, and honored to have been a part as we truly tried to take shape of the business court for this state of Texas.